Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are in error. The CEO initially started at the company in an advisory capacity. This soon changed as she rose through the ranks and, eventually, led the business into the 21st century. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. The CEO initially started. There are no issues with this phrase. Started describes the beginning of her journey with the company, while initially functions as an adverb. As there are no issues here, we can mark this choice off. C. In an advisory capacity. This soon changed. Here we see a semicolon. A semicolon's job is to separate two independent clauses. That is, two clauses that each have a subject and a predicate. And indeed, we see two independent clauses here. The subject of the first clause is the CEO, with the predicate being started, and the subject of the second clause is this, with the predicate being changed. Now that we've established that we're dealing with two independent clauses, we can see that using a semicolon to separate them is appropriate, and we can mark this choice off. And D, and eventually led the business. The commas around the word eventually are optional. It's equally grammatically correct to have them there or not. If you'd like to add emphasis to the timing of the sentence, you can add them. Otherwise, they're not necessary. As this sentence would be correct with or without these commas, we can see that there's no error here, and we can mark this choice off and mark choice A, no error, as our final answer.